To all my dear students. Now I am talking about the important chemical properties of ethanoic acid, or you can say aliphatic acid. Yes. So first one is sometimes ask you write down the acidic nature of ethanoic acid. Yeah. So reaction with metal. So generally we use sodium metal, potassium metal. So when this acid is treated with sodium metal, and you get what is sodium acetate, that is the salt, plus hydrogen gas. When acid is treated with sodium metal and when it liberates hydrogen gas, it means it has acidic hydrogen. Always keep in mind. Sometimes how can you show acidic nature of what is ethanoic acid? With the help of this sodium metal we can show. Next one is reaction with sodium oxide, base. So simply when acid that is reacted with base, aqueous solution, that is aqueous solution. So what you get? Sodium acetate plus water. When acid is treated with base, always what you get? Salt and water, that is sodium acetate. Yes. Now that what you see reaction, what you see bicarbonate, what you see carbonate. So what you see acetic acid when treated with sodium bicarbonate. So what you get? Sodium acetate plus what you see water plus CO2. Sometimes ask you write down the difference between the phenol and ethanoic acid. Then we have to give this reaction. So acetic acid, ethanoic acid gives effervescence with sodium bicarbonate, but phenol does not give effervescence of carbon dioxide. It means ethanoic acid is a stronger acid with respect to phenol. Next, when this acid is treated with sodium carbonate, that is also we know weak base. So what we have? Sodium acetate, water plus CO2. So sometimes ask you write down what you see acidic character of ethanoic acid. So we can give 3. Sometimes ask you in 2 marks, then we have to give all the 3. Yes. Next one is reaction with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride. SOCl2 means thioclase separately. To convert acid into the alkyl, what you see acyl halide, always we have to treat with sometimes PCl3, PCl5, thionyl chloride. Yes. So reaction is like this. When acetic acid is treated with phosphorus trichloride, so when heated, so what you get is CH3COCl means what you see? Ethanoyl chloride. That is what you say? Ethanoyl chloride. Yes. And side product is phosphorus acid. That is known as phosphorus acid. Likewise, when acetic acid is treated with phosphorus pentoxide, so what you get? Same ethanoyl chloride. Yes, acyl halide compound. And what we get? Phosphoryl trichloride. How many chlorine? 3. So what we can write? Phosphoryl tripUCl3 plus HCl. Yes. Likewise, when this acetic acid or ethanoic acid, when that is treated with thionyl chloride, so again what we get? Ethanoyl chloride. That is ethanoyl chloride. Yes. To convert acetic acid into what you see any acyl halide, always we have to react with phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentachloride or SOCl. You can choose any. Yes. Next one is reaction with what see alcohol. So when acetic acid treated with alcohol, ethanoic acid, that is the ethanol, that is ethanol, that is ethanoic acid. So generally question are asked in what we see IPAC system. So better to write in IPAC system. Yeah. So when that is treated, boiled, warm, in presence of cold sulfuric acid, warm, not boiled. So what you get? CH3COC2S5. So that is ethyl. Is the first we have to write the last alkyl, ethyl. How many remaining carbon? 2 carbons. So what we can write? Ethyl ethanoate. So that is ester. Ester means organic salt. Always keep. And what we get? Fruity smell. That is the test for any acid. Ethanoic acid. That is also the test for ethyl alcohol. Now look at next important properties. So what you see, reaction with ammonia. Sometimes ask you how can you convert ethanoic acid to what you see, ethanamide. So that is very important reaction. So when that is treated with ammonia, that is what you see basic in nature. So what you get? At first ammonium acetate. Now this ammonium acetate when warm, heated, so it loses one molecule of water, and what we have? When it loses one molecule of water, what we have? CH3CONH2, and that is amide group. CONH2 means amide group, ethanamide. Sometimes ask how can you convert ethanoic acid to what you see? Ethanoic acid into ethanamide. So you can give this conversion. Next, reaction with phosphorus pentaoxide. You know, phosphorus pentaoxide is what is dehydrating agent. So when acetic acid, ethanoic acid, when heated with phosphorus pentaoxide, so out of two molecules, it loses one molecule of water. So what we have? If we loses one molecule of water, then what we have? CH3CO, CH3O. Then what we have? O, O. Then what is CO? C double bond O, CH3. So it loses one molecule of water and we get very important compound that is known as ethanoic anhydride. Very, very important compound. Generally used what you see to make what you see aspirin tablet, any what you see a style compound, any what you see acetophenone compound we can prepare from this ethanoic acid. Very, very important. Next one is reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. You know, lithium aluminum hydride is what you see a strong reducing agent. So when that is treated with acids, what we have? It directly changes to what is alcohol. Sometimes ask you how can you convert ethanoic acid to ethanol. So you can keep this what is conversion. Yes, give what is write the reaction with lithium aluminum hydrides. What we have to do? So we have to give this, you know. Also we can convert acid to alcohol. So, thank you for watching this video.